And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, it gets windy tomorrow. The clouds will increase through the morning, and there'll be a period of a few scattered showers and storms late morning into early afternoon. Then the sun actually comes out a little bit more, and any shower action or storm action left over is very isolated. Then we'll perhaps have another little wave, at least some scattered showers and storms mid to late afternoon and early evening. Notice the gusts, 28 to 40 miles an hour, especially late morning and into early afternoon. A 79-degree high after 63 at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. There are your highs at 76 to 80 viewing area wide. Now, once that front goes through, it gets cool again. And come Friday morning, it's another morning where it's near 50 degrees to the mid-50s, 51 to 55 for lows, with some patchy fog around. And the fog burns off and we enjoy a really nice Friday. Lots of sun, winds out of the northwest, low humidity, and a 78-degree high. And the evening looks great for all of the Friday night frenzy games around. 75 to 80 should do it for high temperatures. Now, note on FUTURECAST, here come the clouds in from the northwest come tomorrow morning. This is like 7:30 in the morning. And then watch this little line of showers and storms right here. It will likely be rather broken, but there will be a little bit of a line here moving southeastward. This is towards like 11:30 noon when this is racing through kind of our northwest counties. There's right at noon, 12:15-ish, running right through the heart of the viewing area. Then it pushes out of here by around 2 o'clock. And then you notice the sunshine, but notice a few more showers and storms upstream developing. Those come through. Again, we're talking mid-late afternoon to early evening you see right here. So this is around 4:35, kind of a broken line here as well. And then behind that, it gets cooler tomorrow night and the winds diminish. And there's your nice weather on Friday with just a few scattered cumulus clouds around and the very pleasant temperatures. Now for tomorrow, there's actually a marginal risk of severe weather in the eastern and northeast parts of the viewing area, mostly east of a Winnemac, Delphi to about Rossville line for an isolated strong to severe gust or two between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. and then again 3 to 6 p.m. as the front swings through. And then Saturday, just some high clouds spilling in over the top of this big dome of heat that is out in the plains. And the heat will be really overtaking us on Sunday and Monday. What we will have to watch for late Wednesday night, Thursday morning, and then maybe the preceding weekend is on the edge of this heat, there may be a complex of storms that clips us. And eventually the heat wave, or the heat that is, will tend to contract a little bit. So I think we may fall just short of a heat wave. We may have 4 days at or above 90, but we're not talking 5. We'll likely cool back to the 80s by around Thursday, Friday. And then the tropics get active. This is Hillary. This could be very close to Baja California and bring flooding to the western U.S. We may have another tropical system in the Gulf of Mexico come next week that could make a landfall. And then I'd watch these. This is Cape Verde season pattern we're getting into. This one could eventually affect Florida or the Gulf Coast in late August. So these will be the areas to watch. Flooding here and then watching that Gulf Coast area. And we'll wait and see if any of these systems impact our weather down the road. All right, 82 is normal, 84 Saturday. There's that 92 Sunday, but still pretty low humidity. Hot on Monday at 93, 91 Tuesday, maybe a late storm Wednesday at 90, and then it cools down. We've got highs back to the 80s by late next week.